Captain John Cruz. Athlete number 96, Jose Dagsil Jr. Athlete number 10, Gabriel Aboy. Athlete number 14, Jaisel Villegas. Athlete number 31, Kim Nazareno. Athlete number 32, Jomer Donile. And athlete number 44, Jose Jo Marie La Chica. Okay, up on stage, athlete number 15. On stage, and athlete number 163. Okay, athletes, backward muna tayo lahat. Maghati, bigyan natin ng space yung gitna. Spread, bigyan natin ng lugar yung ating lead wall. Dito muna kayo, yung mga iba, pag ganun. Happy yan. Okay, gawin kong 10 athletes ang pipila, ha? Starting off with number 161, 62, 36, 89. Okay, baba muna lahat ng atleta, tapos pag tinawag ko yung number ninyo, akyat kayo sa stage, okay? We're about 49, almost 50 athletes. So, tigsa 10 yan, 10 athletes. Okay, remain 161, akyat 62, akyat 36, 89, 41, number 11, number 13, number 83, number 155, and number 88.